Alhamdulillahi wa bihi nasta'inuhu wa ba'd. Allahumma nashkuruka ala kulli shay'in. Allahumma ij'al lana min al-ibadika as-salihin, ij'al lana min al-ibadika as-sabirin. Allahumma ij'al lana min al-ibadika ash-shakirin. Nashkuru ala ni'matil hayat birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. In this 2025, let us learn how to appreciate Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. Let us learn how to forgive one another. Never keep anger on your heart. This is what I learned, that most people out there, if we go angered, we don't forgive one another. Let us forgive one another for the sake of peace. Do you get my point out there? In this 2025, let us learn how to come back towards Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, because we've done a lot of evil. It's not our fault. Like kullu ibn Adam khata, every human being does mistake. We are not perfect. We are forgetful. Keep that into your minds. Don't forget tasbihat all the time. That means adhkar. Don't forget remembering Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala. Don't forget praying 5 times a day. Don't forgetting husnul khulq, behaving well in people. This is what I bring towards you. 2025, think of mercy. Seek for the mercy of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala. So get in touch with us on www.badrukaneza.blogspot.com. Kanza Records and Entertainment, Arrows Records forever. I greet you all and I love you. Peace and love.